Today was a very dreary day in Florida, but I'm happy because I am on my way to pick up my daughter who's returning home from her externship for winter break. I am so happy, can't wait to see her. This drive took about an hour and a half to get to the train station, which wasn't bad at all, except for the fact that it rained the whole entire drive. But like I said, I'm gonna see my daughter, so I am happy. Here is the train station. It's my first time going to this one, but I would definitely go to this one instead of driving all the way to Jacksonville in the future, because the drive was more straightforward and very easier and didn't have to deal with all that traffic in Jacksonville. So now I'm just going to park and wait until the train arrives. And the train is pulling in. You can hear it blowing the horn from a few miles away. So that means it's going to be here any minute now. And there it is. A train has arrived. I can't tell y'all how happy I am right now. And there is my baby girl. My heart is so happy right now.